During this activity, I worked with a dataset to analyze website traffic trends and visualize the data using technical graphics. The dataset provided information on website visits, and my goal was to identify trends and represent them effectively through graphs. Initially, I reviewed the dataset to understand the available data and I identified potential trends to analyze. The main trends I focused on were daily traffic patterns over the course of a month, June, and traffic variations by day of the week. To begin with, I loaded the dataset um, into Excel for easier manipulation and analysis. I'd explored the data to check for missing values and ensure that the data formats were correct. After confirming the dataset's integrity, I proceeded to identify and graph the trends. Trend 1: Daily traffic patterns in June. I used a line graph to show the daily traffic over the month of June. Line graphs are particularly effective for displaying trends over time, making it easy to see fluctuations and identify peak traffic days. Trend 2: Traffic by day of the week. I used a bar graph to compare the average traffic on different days of the week. Bar graphs are ideal for comparing discrete categories like the days of the week, and in this case, it helped to highlight which days had the highest and lowest traffic. My visualization strategy was that for each trend, I created the initial graphs and refined them by adding titles, access labels, and data labels to improve clarity. I also adjusted the color scheme to highlight specific data points, such as the day with the highest and lowest traffic. The process involved several iterations to ensure that the graphs were both informative and visually appealing, and reflection on my technical graphics skills. Before the activity, my experience with analyzing data trends and creating technical graphics was limited. I understood the basic concepts of data visualization and had used simple graphic tools, but I had not delved deeply into creating polished and detailed visualizations. My approach was often straightforward, lacking the refinement needed to highlight key trends effectively. After the activity, I found a significant enhancement in my ability to analyze data trends and create technical graphics. I learned how to use Excel to manipulate data and generate detailed visualizations. Here are some specific skills and techniques I developed during the process. Data cleaning and preparation. I improved my ability to clean and prepare data for analysis, ensuring that the data was in the correct format and free of errors was crucial for accurate visualization. Graph customization. I learned how to customize graphs extensively, like adding titles, labels, and annotations to make data more understandable. This included adjusting the color scheme to highlight important data points, such as using different colors to indicate the highest and lowest traffic days. Enhanced visual appeal. I focused on making the graph more visually appealing by removing unnecessary elements and ensuring that the visual design did not distract from the data. Incorporating feedback. By iterating on graph designs and incorporating feedback, I refined my approach to ensure that the final visualization effectively communicated the key trends. New learnings. One of the techniques I tried during this activity was highlighting specific data points on the graph. By using different colors to draw attention to the highest and lowest traffic days, I made the graph more informative and easier to interpret. This technique helped me in quickly conveying the most critical information to the audience. Additionally, I learned the importance of balancing detail and clarity. Including too much information on a graph can overwhelm the viewer, while too little information might not convey the necessary insights. Finding the right balance was key to creating effective visualizations. Conclusion. Overall, the activity improved my ability to analyze data trends using technical graphs significantly. I gained hands on experience with data manipulation and visualization tools, learned new techniques for enhancing graph clarity and visual appeal, and developed a better understanding of how to effectively communicate data insights.